Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $350 without doing any work. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Lathan. So you go to lathan.org. So once you get to this website, what you're going to do is click where it says Explore Projects. And once you go there, you're going to look for graphic design. Once you click on graphics design, it's going to take you to this page. Now these are projects, and they are offering a certain amount of money for you to complete the project for them. So like this one right here, they want a logo design, and they're going to pay $25 to $100. So when they accept your logo design, they like it, they're going to pay you that amount of money. Now as you can see, they have one right here, they're paying $5 to $30. This one paying $125, $150 to $100 to $150. And check this out guys, for this project $100 to $350, so you can get paid $350 just for completing this project. So all these people are looking for logos. So this person right here, they look for 3 concept art slides needed for a proposed game. So all you need to do is come up with a logo design, and you can get paid this much. Now you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a graphic designer. Do I have to pay somebody to design this? No. There's a website you can go to right now, it's absolutely free, that will do all the work for you. So let me go to that website right now. Okay family, I'm at the website right now. Name of the website is Free Logo Design. So once you get here, you're going to click right here where it says Get My Logo. It's going to take you here, and you're going to be able to click right here where it says Create My Logo. And it's going to take you to this page. Make sure you do sign up, because that's the only way you'll be able to get your logo. Now, whatever the project is, they're going to tell you the company name, the colors, and how they want the design to look. This website will do it all for you. So for example, let's pick this one. You will be able to edit this one. So if they want to name the company a different name, you just click right there and you'll be able to change the name. If they want a different logo, you can be able to click right there and change the logo. It works that simple, guys. So I just went ahead and put a different name just to show you how it works, and you can save it or you can download it. So guys, it's really that simple. It's really simple. So all you gotta do is just go to Latham, go ahead and sign up, join that, pick one of these projects that you would like to make a logo for, and then go to free logo design and get your logo created and submit it back to latham.org. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. Thank you again. I really appreciate it. One more thing, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.